let's go over our DLO, our daily learning objective for our new sight word, and then we'll review the sight words we've learned, sing a couple songs, and do our sentence today. Today you'll get to write your sentence in your writing journal with whatever item you see, or we see, because we're practicing we again today. I'll say the sight word. I'll say our DLO first and then repeat after me. Today I will read and write the sight word Now it's your turn. Today I will read and write the sight word When the letter A is a word, you say it I have a dog. I have a horse. I have a carrot. Is the word. Let's spell it and read it 3 times. A. How do we spell it? A. What's the word? One more time. How do we spell it? A. What's the word? All right. There's no which way around it. That's the letter, and that's the word. Okay, let's sing our song. They say A is a letter and it's a word too.
A is a letter, the very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. Here's a hot dog in a bun.
I can only eat just one.
A means one.
A means one.
Oh, A is a letter, the very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too. I have a big piece of cake.
Only one for goodness sake.
A means one.
A means one.
Oh, A is a letter, our very first letter. A is a letter and it's a word too.
The word is Sometimes people say A. I have a dog. I have a car. But it's really Okay, let's review a couple of these real quick. We don't have a song for this one. This is our word we. Let's spell it and read it one time. Ready? W-E. We. See. Let's go over this song because it's one of our newer ones. So let's sing it, just part of the song. Oh, I have to press play. We'll do part of the song.
S-E-E, S-E-E. I can spell C, I can spell C. I see my friends who are sitting by me. I see the letters A, B, and C. I see my teacher who's smiling at me. S-E-E, S-E-E.
We'll stop there. C. Like. Let's spell it and read it one time. L-I-K-E. Like. And. Let's spell it and read it one time. A-N-D. And. The. Let's spell it and read it. One. T-H-E. The. Last one. Easy one. Ay, ay, ay. Capital I. I. Word I. Now we're ready to write our sentence. Our new word today is in your writing journal. I want you to think of something that we see. We're going to be practicing we and see today with our new word We see what do we see? Look around your house, maybe just while you're sitting right there with your helper or your parent, whoever's helping you. Look around and what do you and that other person see? We see a refrigerator. We see a television. We see a pencil. So think of something that you see in your house or anything in your imagination. You could even put dinosaur or unicorn, whatever you want. But I'll start off my sentence in my writing journal. go to the very next page in your writing journal. We don't want to waste any space. To our next page. So I'll start off, I'll show you my picture in a minute. Start off with my name, Mrs. Hawkins. When I write, I start at the top on the left. I'm going to be asking you, where do we start when we read and write? On the left, at the top of the page. Mrs. Hawkins. M R S period, because that's an abbreviation, it's just shortened. Hawkins, H A, we know A, down, up, and around. W, just like in we, W is down, up, up. K, like in like, down, kick in, kick out. I, we know I, down, dot. N, we know N, down, hump. S, we know S. Curve left, curve right. Mrs. Hawkins, today's date is September 9th, 2020. So I've shortened that to 9, which is around, up, down, hyphen, 9, around, up, down, hyphen, 20. Candy cane foot, and a 0. Down, up. Okay, got my name. Don't forget to write your name and the date on the very top line. Now I'm going to write my sentence. We see a is how you'll start it. You will write, we see a, and then blank. You fill in the blank. I said, we see a cactus. And I happen to have a little pretend cactus in my room. It doesn't look like the picture, but we see a cactus, me and Miss Dennison. So she drew a nice pretty one there for me. We see a cactus. We, how do I spell we? W-E, we. When we begin a sentence, we always start with a capital letter. Always start with a capital letter. We, W, down, up, W-E. E is over, up, and around. We, what do I need before I start my next word? Finger space. We see. We know see. S-E-E. S-E-E. I can spell see. I can spell see. We see our new word How do I spell A? Down, up, down. We see a cactus. I'm writing cactus. Think of something else. Don't copy cactus. Think of something else that you and someone else see. We see a finger space. Cactus. K-k. Just like our Katina cat. K-k. T. Us. That's the vowel U and S. We know S. At the end of my sentence, what punctuation do I need? Do I need a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark? I didn't ask a question, we see a cactus, so I'm not going to write a question mark. I'm not really excited, we see a cactus. I guess if I'd never seen one or if it was really pretty, I would be excited, but today I'm not going to use an exclamation point. I'm going to use a period. So say these with me. Period, exclamation point, question mark. I'm going to be asking you what the names of these punctuations are later. So I'll end it with a period. A period goes right at the bottom. Our punctuation tells our readers that our sentences are done. And then we can move on to our next sentence, our next thought. Now it'll be your turn in your writing journal. Let's read my sentence together, and then it'll be your turn. Read my sentence with me. We see a cactus. One more time. We see a cactus. Start your sentence out with we see a, and then fill in the blank. Don't do cactus. I did cactus. Here's my picture. I wrote my name, I have my date, and I wrote my sentence. We see a cactus. You're going to start out with we see a. All right, Now it's your turn. I can't wait to see your pictures.